Now I've been through so many different types now, I've just realised the crow's way is the best way. I like it. Okay, while we're waiting for this trade to play out, guys, right? I just want to show you my Myfxbook. So first, I'll show you the stats. We haven't added this trade on yet, right? Because it hasn't closed. So our stats overall. So these are based off a 200k account, right? Prop firm, staying within the rules of a prop firm, risking 2% per trade. I do that for you on stream because I thought not everyone has a large amount of money to trade with. So the only way we get large, we're not lucky enough to, get given money. We've got rich parents or inheritance or whatever. We have to start from somewhere, and this is where prop firms come in. Okay. So this is based off a 200k account risking 2% per trade. If you took every trade with us on stream, these are the figures you'll be looking at. So we've had a couple of 100% months: November, May, so far May and January. I did get asked the other day, how are you minus when you got an 81% win rate? Well, that's because I use a negative RR, which people can't get their heads around. Technically, if I wasn't trading online, streaming, I wouldn't even place a stop loss because I watch price do what it's going to do, and I sort of know what's going to happen. But I place a stop on one because of these props have to have a stop, and two, obviously, it's risk in case it does bomb anywhere. So you should always trade with a stop loss, but the way I trade, I go off sort of price action. So the stats are fantastic, yeah. Now, we took a full loss in February. That was the last trade of the month. Now, the way this is done on here is no trade is placed off stream. So every trade placed has its own YouTube link, which you can gladly have. You can click on it, go through it, and it'll take you to that recording. You can actually watch that trade playing out. So I'm trying to be very transparent for you all, because I know there's a lot of dodgy people on, and trust me, I've followed a lot of dodgy people until I've realised they were dodgy. Right? Now, so we've done this for you, so I can't fake any of these trades, right? I can't fake any of these trades. Then we've got Myfxbook. Now the issue I've got here is I'm trying to get the password for this live stream account. So the way I do this live stream, this is on a demo account. My MT4 is on a demo, right? And the reason it's on the demo is because I wanted the numbers to build up and I want to keep the same demo. So I've kept the same demo account, doesn't reset. I wanted to keep the numbers the same, and with my other accounts I withdraw, so I don't want it to affect it all. I want you all to see the growth with the money coming up all the way up, right? Now eventually, yeah, I might change things in the future, but what I personally do, I trade on a demo account and I copy trade to all my other accounts. That's what I do, that's how I trade, okay? So this is Myfxbook. This is the live streaming account, and every trade on here will match up with my MT4 trades and also my logbook trades. So you can happy to check and send you all the information. So this is what you should be seeing on that link, which is not working because I need to get the password and reset. Okay, so we've had a nice steady growth, and for me this is what trading should be like. None of this making. If you make 40% in a month, then for me, I look at that trade and I see him as high risk, me, because I think if you make 40% a month, you can lose a lot. Probably going to blow the account. It's unrealistic. 1 to 2% a month is good profits, believe it or not, right? And what we've had is, there's our stats for the month. So you've got January up 2.15%, February was on that minus month, and then 2.5% March. We sort of broke even around April, and May we're up 2.4% already. So already the losses in February are covered with 1 month. That makes sense. Now what you'll also notice is the stats on the dashboard take us back from November, because that's when we started streaming, November, right? But I didn't start this demo account, so this live streaming account, to link up the Myfxbook until January, unfortunately. Okay, so it's not linked on January. So that is the Myfxbook. I will drop this recording in the on social media. I'll also get you a new link as soon as I sort the password out, so I can make it unprivate, because at the minute it says private. Okay, so that is the stats. So we're looking really, really good, and we need to add today's trade on as well in May. It shows that you actually don't need many trades. I mean, look at the profit in May, yeah? we've took another one. We've only took 2, 4, 6, 8 trades in May, and that's the profit we've had. Obviously we need to add today's on, so that's the profit we've had. Probably 5.5k on a 2, and we've only took 8 trades. So I'm hoping this opens your eyes that you don't have to trade every day, because you don't have to trade every day. You do not have to trade every day.